Our photo walk today is in the Shibuya Scramble, easily the most photographed spot in Tokyo. There's 5 different angles and 2 killer overhead shots. Let's take a look at how to photograph the Scramble on today's photo walk. The first choice you'll need to make, daytime or evening. When would you like to take your photos? Nighttime, of course, is when Tokyo's top shopping district is its most electric, but daytime will give you more available light for some crazy people shots. My advice is pretty simple, both. The Shibuya Scramble is so special photographically and a street photographer's paradise. Why not get both perspectives? Daytime to stop action for people photography, and evening for the cool neon glow that is Shibuya. Shibuya is a 5-way intersection where everyone crosses at the same time, and nothing gets that point across like a great overhead shot. The easiest way to add a little height to your Scramble is by walking up to Starbucks, which looks straight down at all sides. Do yourself a favor and bring a little tripod to put on the ledge to steady your time-lapse shots. For the overhead shot, the crowded second story of the Starbucks is not your only option. The Magnet department store right across the street will let you ride up 7 stories on the escalator for a rooftop view that should not be missed. There are also several fine restaurants with window views, but they are a lot pricier than the Starbucks or Magnet. Do know that while you can do street photography at nighttime to stop action well, you will need a pro-level camera that lets you adjust the light sensitivity with what's called ISO. I shot these images at 4000 ISO, which is very high. The rule of thumb is usually to be no higher than around 1600, or else your shots get noisy. Mine are noisy, but I had no choice and I was willing to deal with it. On a smartphone, to stop action, just keep your finger down on the shutter button and you will be able to shoot many images at once. During prime time, when the light changes, some 1,000 people will do the Scramble, and all going in different directions. Now, while I love shooting stills of them, nothing pops like a video of the mad dash. You can always get a screenshot from a video if you need a still, like here. With video, you'll want to pull out every trick in the playbook. Slow-mo and time-lapse are on everybody's smartphone. Use them. Time-lapse is so much fun to make it seem like people are going even faster than they are. And if you have the new GoPro Hero 7 Black, try that insane new time warp feature, which lets you make a moving time-lapse. Down here on the ground, let's check out the angles from all 5 sides. I like the one right in front of Starbucks. It seems to be the biggest and widest. For people photography, anywhere down on the ground. For the expanse, go above. And remember, you only have 45 seconds to get across, so make it memorable or do it over and over and over again. And that's our photo walk from the world-famous Shibuya Scramble in Tokyo. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and please stay tuned for more photo walk videos.